I just wanted to do a follow-up in case anybody was interested. This is the Valjoux 77333 chronograph that I built out of basically parts. I had a new old stock case, and I had a movement. Oh, and the dial came with it, but it didn't have hands or anything. I wasn't sure how it was going to look, but I put it together, and I was really surprised. For those of you following, that's an old bull of a handset. I had originally put on some really thin stick hands, but I decided that they needed to be a little more, I don't know, oomphy. So this is a standard handset, especially this. That kind of hand with a little arrow on the end, that got used a lot. I did have two of these, but I lost one of them, and I found it after a long search. Then I immediately lost it again. So I dug through and I used that. I'm like, what the heck? I had to paint both of those matte black. I did this sweet black too, and the weird thing is, it made it almost impossible to see. So I took it back to gold. If I find the other hand, I might put it on there, but that hand it's original and it fit. It's for this model watch. I don't know. So what do you think? What do you think of the subdials? How do you feel about that? I'm just sitting here chatting, looking to see how the pushover goes to that. There she blows. So anyway, what do you guys think about that hands? What do you think about the handset? Hour and minutes. The only problem I'm having with the gold handset is it like half light in the morning. You can't read it. If it doesn't have good enough light, the gold and the tan of the dial just merge together and I can't tell what time it is. I don't know. Anyway, it's fun. I'm enjoying it.